Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. आज हम बनाने वाले हैं क्रिसमस केक. Christmas is already there, so let's go into the kitchen. And it's a very simple recipe, so don't worry about that. Let's begin. So I have taken a saucepan and I have put it on the flame, switched on the gas on lowest flame possible. And in this I am adding 1 cup of brown sugar. So making cake with brown sugar gives it a very nice taste. So I have taken 1 cup of brown sugar, about 1 cup of plain water, and in this I am adding 1-inch cinnamon stick and let this come to a boil. So this is coming to a boil. You have to keep stirring it so that the sugar doesn't get settled and get burnt at the bottom of the pan. So just keep stirring it. Now as it is coming to a boil, now I am going to add butter into this. I am adding about 60 grams of butter. This is normal plain butter, or if you have a cooking butter you can also use cooking butter into this. And I'm going to let this melt down for some time, and while it is melting down I'm going to add the rest of the things into this. So the rest of the things it goes is I have prunes. I've got kale wale raisins, that is kale wale kishmish, black raisins, and the normal raisins also. So this is what usually goes into the Christmas cake. This is what I am keeping directly into the liquid here, and let this all come to a nice boil. Let the butter melt down and I'll show you after that. Okay, you can see that the boil has come into this. So now it is done. I'm going to switch off the flame now. We don't have to cook it or boil it for a very long time. The boil has come and almost the sugar has already melted into the water. So that is the point till where we have to boil. We ज़्यादा boil नहीं करना है इसको. So I'm switching off the flame and now we need to cool it down. So while we are cooling it down, I will be adding vanilla essence and some normal vegetable oil which does not have any kind of flavor or smell into it. So I am adding about 1.5 tablespoon of vegetable oil into this. Here goes vegetable oil, 1.5 tablespoon, and I'm also adding vanilla essence into this. So this is the vanilla essence which I have shown you. I'm adding about 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence into this, and I will keep this down for cooling. So let it cool down, and once it has cooled down, till then we will sift our dry ingredients which will go into this. So this needs to cool down, and once it is cooled down we will mix everything together. So let's go to the dry ingredients. So अब हम dry ingredients के साथ में start करते हैं. So I have taken a bowl, and this bowl I am adding about 1 cup of plain flour जो कि मैदा है. 1 cup of मैदा इसमें. फिर इसमें जाएगा I have got about 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1.5 tablespoon of cocoa powder. So I have taken about all these things in a bowl. I'm going to put all this together into this, and we're just going to stir it. So this is ready. The dry ingredients are ready. Now I'm going to remove ये जो हमने मिक्सचर बनाया था, ये ठंडा हो चुका है. अब हम इसमें से ये जो सिनेमन है, सिनेमन स्टिक, उसको मैं इसमें से निकाल देने वाली हूँ. तो ये सिनेमन स्टिक मैंने निकाल दिया है. अब इसमें हम जो है ड्राई इंग्रेडिएंट्स, मिक्सचर भी ठंडा हो चुका है, ऑलमोस्ट कूल हो चुका है, वार्म है थोड़ा सा, लेकिन हम इसी में जो है मिक्स करने वाले हैं. सो अब इस मिक्सचर के अंदर आई एम गोइंग टू ऐड द ड्राई इंग्रेडिएंट्स इन अ बैच ऑफ 2. So I have added half of the mixture into this and I'm going to mix this. Now जब भी आप केक बना रहे हैं तो आप मिक्सचर को जो है एक ही डायरेक्शन में उसको फोल्ड कीजिए. और अगर आप एक डायरेक्शन में नहीं कर रहे हैं तो एक चीज होती है केक बनाने में जिसे कहा जाता है कि कट एंड फोल्ड. So in this I am just going to mix it together. I'm not using the cut and fold, but however next time probably in some other cake mixing I will show you that. So one batch has gone into this and all the ingredients are mixed properly. Now I'm adding the second batch of the dry ingredients. जो बाकी बच गया था वो पूरा मैं इसमें सेकेंड टाइम में डाल दे रही हूँ. I'm going to mix this all well together. So ये पूरा बैटर मिक्स हो चुका है. अब इसको जो है मैं बेकिंग ट्रे में ट्रांसफ़र करने वाली हूँ. वन थिंग, आई हैव ऑलरेडी प्री हीटेड माई oven for about 10 minutes on 160 degrees, which is already on now. So I have got a cake now, cake tin now. This is a loaf cake tin. इसके अंदर मैंने ऑलरेडी ऑयल लगा करके पार्चमेंट पेपर डाल दिया है और मैं I'm going to pour in this cake mixture into it. So the cake tin is ready. Now I'm going to put this into the oven directly. Oven has been heating for almost 10 minutes at 160 degrees. This will take about 30 to 40 minutes, but keep checking depending on your oven type also. एक बार 25 minutes के बाद में please check कर लीजिए कि केक कुक हो चुका है कि नहीं, और उसके बाद में depending on that you can remove that and let it cool. So I'm going to put this into the oven now. Here it goes. So the cake is ready and it is out of oven. I'm going to leave it to cool down completely, and once it has cooled down, then I'm going to remove the parchment paper from the cake and then cut the slices and show it to you. So the cake is ready. I have cut it into slices and it looks absolutely yummy, and my mouth is already watering. It has come out so well. I did taste it and it's really yummy. It's absolutely moist and great in taste because of the prunes and the raisins that we have added. I'll show you. So this is how the cake looks like. It's a perfect Christmas cake and easy to make. You can definitely try it at your home. Do try this recipe and let me know how it turned out for you. If you like the recipe, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you. And if you prepare this recipe or if you try this recipe, do let me know in the comment section how it has turned out for you. Thank you for watching.